So guys, those who want to be a serious gymmer or a exerciser and also a music lover, for them we have a special type of Bluetooth earphones. They are from Empow and the name is Magneto Sports, and these are the Bluetooth earphones. We have already opened the box and tried it for a week. So it's our final review so that we can give you the suggestions for whether you have to buy this or not. So let's get started. On the top from the front you can see the Empow branding and the name of earbuds, that's Magneto. On the left it's just Empow, nothing else. On this side there's some barcode, and on the right hand side you can see that it can give you more than 8 hours of talk time, more than 300 hours of standby time, more than 8 hours of music playback, and I'm getting around 9 hours or 9.5 hours after using on 80% volume. And it can work from more than 10-meter range, and it can be easily charged via micro USB, and the charge time is actually less than 1.5 hours, which is really good for such a budget pricing Bluetooth earphones. And we got it in black and red version. So let's open it. First of all, you receive the Magneto earphones, and here are user manual and accessories. Let's open it. You receive a micro USB to USB type A cable and some earbuds. We will get back to these there. And finally we have the Empow user manual. It is Bluetooth standard 4.1 and other stuffs, how to here are the other indications: charging time and pairing time. You can also send in end calls via Bluetooth as it has a mic inside. First let's go to the earbuds. And from our personal view, these are really good looking earphones, and you can see it's somewhat angular, and on the top you can see there is micro USB charging port, and on the back there is Empow branding. Here's the inline controls and Empow branding. Very tactile feedback, which is a good thing, and it's that simple. And rubber tips is of black and red version. So let's unbox the other tips which you can get. So as you see, there are multiple sizes. Let me set it first. So guys, as you can see very well, we have a small earbuds and the large one, and the medium sized ones are already on the earphones. Other than that, you receive the extra rubber cushioning, which will help to grip your ears very easily during exercise or gymming work. So let's put on the middle ones on the earphones, and let's skip this aside. So after the several days of usage, we can easily say that it will give you a secure grip while you are exercising, and in the sound front you will get a heavy bass and a soft treble and for a budget price of around 26 to 2700, this Bluetooth earphone is the best companion of yours for your next gymming sessions. Well, that's all from our side. If you like our video, hit the like button, and if you have any kind of questions regarding to this earphone or any other kind of technology stuff, make sure to comment down below. And if you want to see more stuff like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We will make some more awesome videos like this. Until then, have a nice day. Until then, have a nice day.